Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy nappie, and welcome to my channel. So if it's your first time being on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to get a notification anytime I post a video. So welcome to all new subscribers. You are all welcome to my channel. We have a good stuff for you. Keep watching, keep sharing. Thank you so much to each and everyone out there. I want to see right now. I want to see like this. Okay, this is the beach. So clean. And guys, you can't believe this. Look at it. White sand beach. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. White sand beach. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Look at it. Look at this one more time. Yeah. So Ghana is so clean. We're bringing you some parts of Ghana, showing you some beautiful parts of Ghana and all that. So we started from Greater Accra, and this time around we are in the Volta region, and this is my hometown. You can't believe it, guys. This is my hometown. It's a beautiful place, serene and green. Like, you just love it. So I'm here to just show you around. Currently I'm at meet me there in Keta. And we have a nice view of the sea and a small stream here, which is, I don't know, but today I'm just going to show you around how beautiful the place is and how serene it is. So yeah, I can't find any plastic here. That's beautiful. I can't find any plastic here. Most of the times when you're close to the sea, there are more of plastic bags, plastic waste and all that, close to the sea on the beaches and all that. So today I'm here. Look at that. Like, beautiful. This place is so beautiful, guys. It's really, really beautiful. It has a beautiful historic story and all that, and I just can't wait to explore by myself, you know, and show you guys around. Look behind me. This is not Bali. This is not anywhere apart from Ghana, Africa. Look at that, guys. It's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. So I'm only going to show you around for today and show you how the place looks like, how green the place is, and you're just gonna love it. So from this region, we'll move to the Ashanti region. Expect more from us, guys. Africa is the best place to be. So if you don't know, if it's your first time in Ghana and you want to visit the coolest place, I recommend this place for you. This is Volta Region. Volta Region. You can find the sea here, rest here, anything you want to do. Guys, just visit. Do your own thing, you know. What? So guys, I had a short run with Della and it wasn't easy. Guys, I need to hit the gym. It's so nice to be here and I have to be healthy too as well. So guys, let's keep watching nappiebriggs and I'm here to bring you more.